The TR45 cold pressure welder is designed specifically for welding trapezoidal profile up to 45 mm cross-sectional area. The TR45 is powered by 2 air hydraulic intensifiers and operated by a foot pedal. It is supplied with a trolley so the operator can wheel it easily to the work area, saving effort and reducing downtime. The air supply can be provided from either a central system or a dedicated compressor, but must be connected using a reinforced hose with a minimum internal diameter of 12 mm and no quick connectors, to ensure an adequate airflow. The hose should be attached to the inlet without any fittings that impede the flow of air. A concertina-type air hose should not be used. Before loading the die pocket must be cleaned to remove any debris. The die is placed carefully into the die pocket. It's held down against the spring ejector pins while the foot pedal is pressed to keep the die in position. The cover plates are slid into position and the nuts are tightened. The guard is closed and the foot pedal is released. Finally, the die gap is adjusted to suit the size of the wire. The machine is now ready for use. The gates are opened and the ends of the material are fed into either side of the die. To weld the wire, the operator presses and releases the foot pedal repeatedly. Each depression of the pedal causes the material to be gripped and fed forward, pushing the 2 ends together. The surface impurities are forced out from the center in the form of a flash or burr. It takes about 4 to 6 compressions to make a weld. To release the welded wire, the foot pedal is pressed and the unloading lever is raised. The foot pedal is then released and the guard opened. The gates are opened so the welded wire can be released and the flash is removed by hand. The weld is reliable, permanent, and stronger than the parent material. To reset the machine, the operator closes the guard and presses the foot pedal. The unloading lever is moved down, the foot pedal is released, and the gates on either side of the welding head are opened. The machine is now reset, ready for use.